Namaskar, I am Anand and you are watching Join for Education. In this class, I am going to answer the questions of acid, bases and salts. This is the second chapter of class 10. Let's start the question answer session. This is the question number 1. A solution turns red litmus blue. Its pH is likely to be. There are 4 options of these questions: A, B, C, D. The correct option will be D. So let's see the explanation of the answer of this question. Bases turns red litmus blue and acid turns blue litmus red. Basic solution has a pH value more than 7. Since the solution turns red litmus blue, its pH likely to be 10. Let's see the question number 2. This is the question number 2. A solution reacts with crushed egg cells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains sodium chloride, hydrogen chloride, lithium chloride or potassium chloride. The answer of this question is hydrochloric acid or HCl, hydrogen chloride. The solution contains HCl. Let's see the question number 3. 10 ml of a solution of sodium hydroxide is found to be completely neutralized by 8 ml of a given solution of HCl. If we take 20 ml of the same solution of sodium hydroxide, the amount of HCl solution, the same solution as before, required to neutralize it will be. The answer of this question will be 16 ml. So the correct option of this question will be D. Let's see the question number 4. This is also a multiple choice question. Which one of the following types of medicines is used for treating indigestion? Antibiotic, analgesic, antacid and antiseptic. So the correct answer of this question will be antacid, or the correct option will be C. Let's see the next question. This is the question number 5. Write word equation and the balanced equation for the reaction taking place when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with zinc granules, dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with magnesium ribbon, dilute sulfuric acid reacts with aluminum powder, dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with iron filings. So answer of the question number 5 are as follow: sulfuric acid plus zinc. After the reaction we get zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Hydrochloric acid react with magnesium, then we get magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Sulfuric acid react with aluminum, then we get aluminum sulfate and hydrogen gas. Hydrochloric acid react with iron, then we get ferric chloride and hydrogen gas. Let's see the question number 6. This is the question number 6. Compounds such as alcohol and glucose also contain hydrogen but are not categorized as acid. Describe an activity to prove it. Answer of the question number 6 is: two nails are fitted on a cork and are kept in a 100 ml beaker. The nails are then connected to the two terminals of a 6-volt battery through a bulb and a switch. Some dilute HCl is poured in the beaker and the current is switched on. The same experiment then formed with glucose solution and alcohol solution. Let's see the observation. It will be observed that bulb glow in the HCl solution and does not glow in the glucose solution. Let's see, this is the figure. This is the relevant figure of this question. Result: hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride dissociates into hydrogen ion and chlorine ions. These ions conduct electricity in the solution, resulting in the glowing of the bulb. On the other hand, the glucose solution does not dissociated into ions, therefore it does not conduct electricity. Conclusion: from this activity it can be conducted that all acids contain hydrogen, but not all compounds containing hydrogen are acids. That is why, though alcohol and glucose contain hydrogen, they are not categorized as acid. Let's see the question number 7. Why does distilled water not conduct electricity, whereas rainwater does? Answer of the question number 7 is distilled water is a pure form of water and is devoid of any ionic species. Therefore, it does not conduct electricity. Rainwater, being an impure form of water, contains many ionic species such as acid, and therefore it conducts electricity. Let's see the question number 8. Why do acids not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? Answer of the question number 8 is acids do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water because the dissociation of hydrogen ions from an acid occurs in the presence of water only. It is the hydrogen ions that are responsible for the acidic behavior. Rest question I shall answer in the next video lecture. Till then, thanks to all of you. Thank you very much.